Alright, back for, I think the last game was Stark, Reigns of Castamere. No locations, less mulligan. We're up against Baratheon Fealty. It's not Sea of Blood. That's so refreshing. It's an interesting setup. I guess I go 4-4. Daisy by herself is so garbage, but hopefully we'll get more characters fairly quickly. We go Noble Cause, probably. It's Robert. Good thing I have milk. What was I going to say? Yeah, so I think I switched out like the 7 cost Catelyn, the one copy that I had for Nymeria, I think. Because she's a generally useful character, and she can go into intrigue challenges with your other guys. I think the 7 cost Catelyn obviously is tempting in a Reigns deck because she's a big intrigue icon that can get even bigger. But I think she's more of a card for a flea bottom deck. I don't know if you want to use her alongside like Wyman Manderley. Wow. He did Maester Crescent right away. That's smart. Well, we have Mirror Read, so it's still fine. Let's see. How are we going to do this? We have to get Mirror Read. And Catelyn is a 5 strength intrigue, so we should definitely get her. Oh, I forgot she was discounted. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Do I have Marshall Bran? I really want to be able to play I Am No One. So, maybe not? I don't know, man. Let's Marshall Bran and try to play Heir to the Iron Throne next turn. I think that's my plan. Stinking drunk. That's rude. That's rude. Very rude. Oh, I'm first player. Why am I first player? People just always make you first, don't they? They really don't care. Do we do intrigue? What are we going to do if we do intrigue? I could copy that and get Maester Lewin. We could go filthy. Yeah, I guess we're just going to do filthy. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Sir Courtney Penrose. That's good to get. I guess we use Winterfell on this challenge so that there's no Spears of the Merlin King. It's like the only way that Winterfell will be relevant this turn. Military or intrigue? Which one will he do? Oh, he did intrigue. He doesn't care. No! My draw event. That's cheating. Where is my heir? Here we go. Should I go first again? Yeah, let's go first. Why not? Let's see what he gets with his summons. It's gotta be Melisandre, right? It's like the only other good Baratheon character. Just a shy priestess. Okay. Roos? I think it has to be Roos. He doesn't like Roos Bolton very much. Got him, I guess. Alright. Well, let's try another one. Poor guy. Poor Baratheon, man. Hagen. Let's see if he's playing Greyjoy. Oh no, Martell. Ugh, Martell. Oh man, Martell. Oh goodness. Why do people play this faction? Why do you play it? It's so obnoxious. Well, I think this is a good setup, right? Yeah, it's good enough, I think. I think we do it like this. I don't want to go 4-4 because then he will do March to the Wall. And oh, this is an interesting card. Starfall right away. That sucks. Let's see if he plays, what is it called? I don't remember what I was saying. Yeah, nice Varys' Riddle, bro. You totally got me on that one. At least he's not playing the 0-0-0, which is a bit weird that he's not. Like, you're Martell Warsacom and you don't play that? Seems strange. Damn, these are bad. I guess we go Arya. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, I messed up. I forgot the order there. That was terrible. That was terrible. Oh my goodness. I was supposed to pick Alysanne or something. Oh goodness. Oh man, I don't know why I did that. I thought it was like the other way around, I guess. I don't know. Oh, it's embarrassing. Alright, let's play some scouts. And I think we just, yeah, save one. Oh, that was so bad. I can't be that upset if I lose this game because I did that. That was horrible. Damn, it's going to be hard to win any challenges with I am no one. Let's see if he's going to use Starfall. Alright, that makes it easier. I think we still do it, even though we might not be able to win any challenges. We stealth this guy, so the 4 Tricon has to defend. And this way we still get to draw 1 card, so that's nice. I think I go late Summer Feast this turn. Oh man, I don't want to discard these. Let's go Daisy and Milk, I guess. I'm going to be really upset if he marshals Nymeria Sand, but otherwise I think it's fine. Also, if he just like flips Naval Superiority, I'm going to cry. But we're still going to try. We're going to try. He didn't play at Prince Duran's behest, so that suggests that he more than likely... Oh no. Alright, we lost this game. Oh man. Why would you do it that way? You start with Varys' Riddle and then you do Prince Duran's behest. Why? That is just so weird. He definitely outplayed me there, because I was like, oh, I guess he's not playing Behest. But he was. Oh, March to the Wall. What? What's going on? It wasn't Summer Harvest or Naval Superiority. March to the Wall to discard a Bear Island Scout. What? What am I missing here? This is strange. Let's get more safety blankets. Oh goodness. Rob has a dupe, so we marshal him. I really wanted to marshal Winterfell this turn, but I think it is more important to just have more characters. It's going to be really hard to ever use the agenda because of Starfall. So next turn maybe we go exchange of information to try to find Frozen Solid. It's a guard deck. He's playing House Manwoody Guard. Okay. That is bizarre. It's working so far. I can't kill any of his stuff. Or I mean, we can't win any challenges, I don't think. Desert Raider, that's such a stupid card. I don't know if we even declare any challenges here. No, we don't. We just pass. Because his dudes that don't kneel are 7. And I don't have 7 on military or intrigue. Unfortunate. Damn. I want all the characters I can get. That was an exciting turn. Yeah, let's go exchange. I really need to draw Frozen Solid for this Starfall. Damn, he gets to give me milk instead. And these stupid guards. Oh, why can this take attachments? Well, I guess I can milk it. That's weird. Normally there are no attachments. But this guy can still be attached to. I don't know. Alright, this game is pretty slow. Let's set up Winterfell. Pretty slow. But the more time that we waste, the more time I have to draw Frozen Solid. Secret Pact, are you serious? That's pretty annoying. I guess we're going to confiscate that. Secret Pact, who plays that? Does Winterfell do anything? I don't think so, but let's just kneel it anyways. On the low chance that something happens. I guess he could have Tears of Lees, so that I'm playing around that. He declared a power challenge that he's going to lose. Yeah, he just gave Catelyn Renown for no reason. That's a bit weird. Oh, I forgot he still has military. Well, that makes sense. I don't want to kill any of my characters, even small ones. The only character that I will probably kill is like Winterfell Steward. Hopefully we can... No, we can't win initiative because of this guy. Return to the fields, okay. I guess it's pretty good with House Dane Escort. Let's see. Bruce Bolton's super good if he can ever actually use his ability, but that's going to be a tall order. I think it's still good just to have the threat of Roose Bolton out there, so let's play him. I mean, we have a great hull, so. Save one for Winter is Coming, I guess. Yeah. Like, he can just take the, what icon will he take from Roose Bolton, I wonder? Probably Intrigue? Martell always does Intrigue. 7 gold, huh? Is it going to be Dornish Spy? He's trying to decide which icon to take. He took the Intrigue so that Roose Bolton and Catelyn Stark cannot go in together. That would be my presumption there. Alright, let's go for an Intrigue. He can block it if he kneels 3 guys. I don't know if he's going to be willing to do that. He'll probably just like block the agenda trigger, maybe? I don't know. Yep. Let's do this. Because Intrigue Claim always matters more than military against Martell, and that is doubly true when they have this ridiculous card, Desert Raider. His Viperize, that is very good, and a Desert Raider. Aw, damn it, really? Another one? I hate this game. Why do people play that card? It's just such a feels bad, man. Okay. I don't think that I attack with Roose. I don't think I do it. Because he either has Aerial Hotsa or Southron Messenger. If it's Southron Messenger, then I can just play Noble Cause next turn, so let's do it. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's just do this. Because we know there's something. So even though it blocks Roose's ability. Actually, that was dumb. I wasn't supposed to do that. Because I forgot that Military Claim doesn't do anything. He just kills the Desert Raider. It's a bit of a misplay. Oh, we just defended it anyways. Seriously? You don't want to kill your Desert Raider? I guess I'm happy with that. Alright, I have to kill the Bear Island Scout now. Sad times. We have to make sure that we still have a save. We can't burn all our saves or he'll play Valar Morghulis. Can't allow that. Come on, Wyman Manderley. Where are you? I need some card draw over here. I guess we go Wardens. Duel, are you serious? Are you serious, man? Did you really have to do that? That was just so rude. Alright, Summer's pretty good. How did I run out of... Oh, I guess my Alisane got hit with Intrigue? Yeah, that's what happened. Alright, now we can do this. Oh, maybe I should not have marshaled last Hearth. No, I think it's fine. Oh, do I want Arya? I think I need the Scout, though. Because we do this. And hopefully we can use Mage next turn. That would be really nice. Oh, I didn't discount Summer with Great Hall. What am I doing? But it didn't matter. I would have 2 gold, so it's fine. Do I play this Bodyguard? No, I don't think so. I'll save it for, like, Intrigue Claim. Alright, 30 cards left in the deck. Frozen Solid, Wyman Manderley. You can't evade me forever. You have to show up eventually. I don't think I do any challenges here. I guess he has a power to take, so we can do that. But that's probably it. No, he still has 5 gold. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. If he wants to use Aereo Hota on this power challenge, that's fine. Oh, the Prince's plan. Well, that was weird. Slightly unexpected. He definitely got me on that one. Strength 14, huh? He even knelt the House Dane Escort. He really didn't want to lose that one. Can't believe he played Duel on me. That's just no fun, man. You seriously just trying to stall the game like that? What is this? Intrigue 4? Yeah, let's do this. Oh, it's 11. Damn. So I should have just defended with Catelyn. Oh well. Alright. He should have done the military challenge, because even if I defended it with Summer and Last Hearth, then he gets to get the Prince's plan back. That's what I would have done. That's what I would have done, man. The first snow of winter. Okay. Well, that's annoying. But it hits 3 of his characters, so I think it's alright. I got saves. Come on, Mirror Read. Where's Mirror Read? This is ridiculous. No Frozen Solid, no Wyman, no Mirror Read. Half the deck drawn. Why does this always happen to me? Why does this keep happening, man? I hate this game. He does send Summer back to my hand with this, and the Bear Island Scout, although I don't think there's anything left in the deck for the Scout to find. Gaston Gray? Oh my goodness. That's pretty obnoxious. And a Shadows card. I wonder what the Shadows could be. Alright, we're over reserve. Let's just pass. There's not much point in trying to do anything here. Like, I guess I could do a power. I probably should have done a power challenge with, like, Catelyn or Winterfell. That was probably a bit of a misplay. But I don't think it's a big deal, really. I'd much rather defend his challenges if there's any way that I can. Strength 6. Let's not lose this. I'm a bit spooked that he'll win power if I use Last Hearth here, but let's just take the guaranteed win. Use it when we know that it'll let us win a challenge. Old Billbone. I was kind of wondering if it would be him. He sees a decent bit of play. I mean, he's a pretty reasonable character. Old Billbone. He took my military. That's rude. But how are you going to win it? Oh, he can do it this way. So he can win a military. And he really wants to kill my stuff. Good thing we have saves. Last plot, huh? This is going to be the world's crappiest forced march. I actually probably should have discarded like Osha for that and not the 1 cost. But it's all good. We've got to be coming up. He discarded Secret Schemes. We've got to be coming up on his resets now. Like surely he's gonna have to flip Dohaeris soon. And I mean it's Martell. Surely he has Valar Morghulis. Eventually he's gonna have to play that too. No, double Force March. Didn't he already play one of those? Oh man. What a scumbag. Double Forced March. Double Forced March. You had to march and it's forced and you don't have a choice. My Forced March was actually made a little bit better by him also playing it. Because it knelt his guard thing instead of just Old Billbone. It's kind of funny. I've also only drawn 3 economy cards. With 26 cards left in the deck, I've drawn 3 of my economy. That's also pretty ridiculous. And I still don't have Mirror Read, so I get completely hosed by this Host of the Bone way. I'm getting kind of annoyed, dude. Like, where are my good cards? It's kind of ridiculous. Sure, let's try this. I think I'm going to kill Summer and stand my board here. Let's see. Still have 2 copies of Summer in the deck, though. So I guess I'm not going to do that. Even though I really want to. This is obviously going to be a long game. I mean, it's already been a long game, so I don't want to kill Summer before I draw either of the other 2 copies. Play the event so he doesn't discard it with a claim. Aw, my Bear Island Scout. He does not have any, what do you call, any Desert Raiders in the dead pile, which is very convenient. Although Winterfell would block that anyways, I guess. That is one nice thing about Winterfell, is that it can stop the ridiculous Desert Raider triggers. Another Bran, huh? Well, before too long, we're going to get down to the point here where I have to draw a good card. I will have literally drawn all of the small characters from my deck before too much longer, so we're going to go, if we go exchange, oh no, he hasn't reset his plots yet, yeah, so, but we're getting into reset time now, so I should probably play a money plot. Yeah, I think a Noble Cause is probably pretty good. Yep. Had to do that eventually. And he's doing it as not his last plot so that he can play it again like right away if he wants to. So I should have killed Summer there because he played Valar Morghulis the next turn anyway. Summer's still dead. Slight misplay, but I didn't know if it was going to be this or Dohaeris. I did have to wait and find out. Thank goodness, finally. Oh, man. That's a relief. Took long enough for that card to show up. Let's play... She has 0 strength, so let's not play her. Let's play Luwin and Bran with Insight. Do we duplicate Bran? I don't think so. Oh no, we can do it, because we can use Sansa for Heirs to the Iron Throne if we want to play that. I don't really want to play Nymeria in case of Valar Dohaeris as his last plot. So I think there's a reasonable chance that that's what it is. Although I guess if he does Dohaeris, I'm going to be stuck only keeping 1 character. Let's do this. This plays around Dohaeris the most. Because if he does Dohaeris, now I can keep Robb and 2 characters. Oh, those House Dane escorts just coming back from the discard, dude. I'm not going to complain too much, though. This is still a relatively fair card compared to Desert Raider. Let's go for an intrigue. We can still get the agenda trigger on this if he doesn't defend it with Last Hearth. And hopefully we can get Sansa's Insight. This will be like the only time ever that I've had a 0 strength Sansa draw a card. So if I use the agenda, what am I going to do? Let's do a Game of Thrones. Oh no, why did I think that I won that by 5? I don't know. Why did I think I won that by 5? Oh, I just wasted my Last Hearth for no reason. I'm going crazy because I'm playing against Martell. And she lost her insight because I made her strength 3 instead of 0. Oh, what am I doing with my life? I'm not very good at this game. That was not the most intelligent play that I've ever made. Let's not do military. Because look at his board, military is not super relevant. We'll just get a renown and pass. I can't freaking believe I did that. Does Rob get insight from Maester Lewin? I think he does. So hopefully, I can definitely get an insight here because he can't trigger any abilities. Why did he not get his event back when he lost that intrigue? I don't understand. He did not get the Prince's Plan back. Yes. We drew a card with insight. We got an insight, and we got Wyman Manderley. Finally. I think we canceled this. Yeah, we canceled that. That's not allowed, bro. Spend your event to do nothing. And then end your turn. That's what I like to see. So, we've had some pretty significant, or like pretty embarrassing rather, not necessarily significant, but pretty embarrassing misplays this game. First, I friggin' put that Arya duplicate in with my Heir to the Iron Throne on turn 1, which is like, what are you doing? And now this. Let's go Heir to the Iron Throne again. Oh no, if it's Dohaeris though, he'll make Heir go off first. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Let's go exchange. Because this is the last turn that we can use it before his... Wait, what? How was that his last plot was Varys' riddle? What? I thought that was his first plot. What is going on? Fudge me, dude. Varys' riddle, no. How did this happen? Shit. Ah, I hate this game. I don't want to give him any of these events, man. I think the plot's reset on his side, so let's give him Secret Schemes. I don't know. I thought he started the game with Varys' riddle. I really thought he did. I don't... maybe it reset one turn early? No, it just reset. Now his last used plot is Varys' riddle. I don't get it. I'm going to have to watch the replay and figure out what just happened. Because this is limit 1, right? Varys' riddle? Oh, it's not. So he actually just plays 2 Varys' riddle. Wow, I've never seen that. 2 Varys' riddle, where it paid off. He got my exchange. Does not make me very happy. So he doesn't have Valar Dohaeris, though. He went through his whole plot deck, and we never saw Valar Dohaeris. So we're completely safe to just do a duped Wyman Manderley. And make him feel like a dope when he does his double Valar. Or when he flips Valar again next turn, which he's almost guaranteed to do. Let's do this. And pass. I don't know, he has 12 gold. Maybe he'll marshal another Host of the Bone Way. That's an annoying character. Come on, milk. I discarded one of the milks, I think. That's unfortunate. Still no mirror read. 16 cards left, no mirror read. Alright, we can go in pretty hard here because we have Wyman Manderley, but he has 6 gold, which is fairly suspicious, but he's been like sitting there saving a lot of gold on a lot of turns and hasn't ended up actually doing very much with it. I think we do a Game of Thrones here. Do I actually want to go for the agenda? Yeah, why not? Let's go for it. This time we're not going to strength buff Sansa. We're not going to do that this time. No, sir, we aren't going to do that this time. Now I think we go a Game of Thrones, yeah. Because there's no intrigue icons over here. Now he's getting his prince's plans back. Oh, but he's going to give himself intrigue icons with that event. Man, that's an annoying event. But his plot deck reset, so it doesn't give any strength buff. So it's probably fine. Alright, I think we need to use Robb and Arya together to win power. Yeah, we do. So let's do that. Let's do this so that there's no tricks. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting close. 13 power. 13 power. Oh no, he's giving himself intrigue icons. Whatever will I do? Oh, he totally got me with this 2-strength intrigue. Yeah, let's do this. 13 cards left in my deck. Hopefully I won't end up drawing my whole deck here. I don't know if he will do Valar Morghulis at this point. I don't think he actually would be smart for him to do that. I don't think he actually will do it. So yeah, thanks for drawing all these freaking Rose Roads like 10 turns into the game. So he's going to do Prince Duran's Behest. But he doesn't have Summer Harvest or what is it called? Stupid Naval Superiority. I think we do this. I think this is the right play. And we also make him first player, which is going to be frustrating for him. Ha 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 ha, Martell, you have to go first. Duel, I guess I should have seen that coming. I think we actually have to kill Wyman. Yeah, we're at 14 power, we have to kill Wyman. Man, Duel, what an obnoxious card. Ugh, of course we draw him again right away. I think it's going to be tough for him to win at this point, though, because I'm at 14 power. That just makes it so hard when, like, any little thing at all can get me there. Still no mirror read. 11 cards left in deck. No mirror read. That's incredible. Like, imagine how much easier and probably over faster this game would have been if I had actually just drawn mirror read at any point. I mean, she's not gotten discarded somehow, has she? No, she's just literally not been drawn in 50 cards out of 60. 2 copies, never been drawn. I think the only thing I'm really scared of here is Host of the Boneway, because it can intimidate my Rob. But if it's not Host of the Boneway, then it should be in reasonable shape. Don't disconnect on me. Venomous Blade. Are you serious? Who plays that? Who plays that, man? That just feels bad. I think he picked the wrong character. I think you want to pick the stealth power icon, not the character that doesn't have stealth. Because if I win a power challenge, obviously that's going to be the game. Well, he disconnected. Let's see if he comes back. Maybe we'll just win this game 14-3 because he disconnected. So this turn, I'm going to have what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 gold. So that's like Roos, then 6 more. Probably Nymeria and Milk of the Poppy. I think that would be probably good enough to win. Because Obara is going to be milked anyways, and she's going to get stealth by Arya. And then we have, what is this? 4 plus 9? What is 4 plus 9? 13? Yeah, so he would need to get 13 power strength in play, not counting this Obara sand, I think, in order to stop me from being able to win. Because even if he wins a power challenge on his challenges, I'll be at 13, and then I'll still win if I do my power challenge with Rob, Renown, and Power Claim. But it doesn't look like he's coming back at this point, so I guess this game has an anticlimactic ending. Oh wait, my cards aren't kneeling. Is the server busted? Did the Iron Throne explode? Oh, no, my internet is gone. Why did it say he disconnected? My internet is dead. What? No. What? Oh my gosh, dude. What a crappy way to go out. Alright, well, I think I would have won this game. We cannot finish it because my internet decided to friggin' die on me. Oh my goodness. What a piece of trash. That's a Martell sabotage. I'm going to say somehow the Martell player figured out how to disconnect me so that he could still win. That's my theory on that. Frickin' Martell. They never play fair.